Which is the smallest unit in English language? How many letters are there in English language? What is pangram? Hello everyone, this is Sona, your home tutor. Today let us learn about all these topics. Before starting today's topic, if you like to learn more things, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my videos. The smallest unit of English language is letter. How many letters are there in English language? 26 letters. Then what is alphabet? An alphabet is a collection of letters. Now tell me then, what is letter? A letter is a particular symbol used in writing. In English alphabet, we have 26 letters. In that 26 letters, 5 are called vowels and the rest 21 are called consonants. Then what is word? Combination of these letters in a meaningful way is called word. For example, teacher, student, girl, boy. Now let us learn about what is sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Do you know what is pangram? A sentence that contains all 26 letters of the alphabet from A to Z is called a pangram. Now let us see some popular pangrams. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Pack my box with 5 dozen liquor jugs. The 5 boxing wizards jump quickly. These pangrams are used for testing keyboards, phones, and other applications that involves text. Now, please text some of the pangrams which you know in comment box. Thank you for watching. Happy learning to everyone.